There it is.
This is Ashwin. It's the 31st of August. We are going to be driving Mahindra E2 all the way to Lavasa.
Yes.
Let's check how far this baby can go. And
100
we
kilometers.
have 100 kilometers.
Okay.
And we are ready to roll.
Okay.
So let's hope everything goes fine.
We can come back in one piece.
Yeah.
Okay,
back
dude.
to One Piece. Yeah.
Where are we?
Right now we are somewhere on the surface of the earth
With Eva.
with Eva.
Yeah, Eva is right there.
Behind
And
me is the Mulla River.
Mula River. Yeah, that
Goes all
takes.
the way into Pune. If
Yes.
they ever come up with a water navigation system, they can have some sort of a hovercraft or something like that. Starts from here and takes you all the way to Pune. Very ambitious project, but it can be done about
8 kilometers.
10 kilometers.
Yeah.
And Eva is still going great.
Yep.
We just covered some really bad road. I generally compare the surface of Pune to the surface of the moon. So you see so many craters and moon, and it's like having a moon ride. So I'm moonwalking basically.
Okay.
So ladies and gentlemen, we have now arrived at our checkpoint number 2. We are at Pirangut.
Pirangut. Yes.
And we have covered about 16-17 kilometers right now. Look here. Ever wondered why Switzerland looks green? It's because they have got cars that don't pollute. This is your car that will make Pune into Switzerland.
Yes, exactly. Where are we?
We are on the road to Lavasa. We are right now on the Pirangut Ghats.
Yes.
And you see that view which you see over there
Yes.
will appear many times in the pictures we have posted in the past, in the cycle rides that we have posted in the past.
Oh, yeah.
And this is that road on which, this is the road which has been a silent observer to all our adventurous trips. Now, one of the most beautiful features of the EVA is its capability to regenerate. We call it regeneration.
Yeah.
So when a car goes downhill or brakes or just rolls of its own accord, it's regenerating. It's basically recharging. So even though we have driven more than 30 kilometers, I still see about 3-4 kilometers more on the battery because of its regenerative capability. Pretty
Yes.
cool, isn't it?
Pretty cool. Where are we?
We are in the BAP of Yosemite. Hey, watch this.
I know, tell me about it.
Dekhna.
Look how beautiful it is.
Look at that. This is the place where we can shoot movies like Rambo.
I know, tell me about it.
You know, a helicopter going all the way like that, meandering through
And you can
the
make,
mountains.
yeah, you can conceptualize games like Crisis.
Yes, Crisis.
Yes.
Dude, what if we make a game like that?
ये हरियाली ये आसमां ये घटा मेरे रास्ता.
We are going towards Lavasa. That's out there.
Right there. That's awesome. Right there.
कैसे चढ़ूं ऊपर नीचे नहीं
And that's the Ito there. With around 40 kilometers of charge left. So we definitely need to find a charging point. Right?
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll find one.
Okay, we've reached Lavasa and the charge remaining is 47 kilometers.
Good.
Yeah.
47 kilometers to go.
This is awesome.
Can we make it back to Pune?
By the way, we have been warned by some visitors that this is what they said. We
Yes.
have driven this from Pune, is it?
Yes.
But this can only do 100 kilometers. How are you going to go back? Well, we will go back.
Yeah, let's see.
Because what they forgot is
Yes.
that this car regenerates as well.
Yes,
It's not
regenerates.
like a petrol car.
Yes. It just
That it burns petrol and forgets it.
okay. Let's enjoy Lavasa now.
ये हरियाली ये आसमां ये घटा मेरे रास्ता. ये हरियाली ये आसमां ये घटा मेरे रास्ता.
Okay. We are in Lavasa. We have 48 kilometers range left. And hopefully we can make it to Pune. Can we?
Let's try.
Next. हमारा टाइम लगा. All India's CC songs.
ठीक है, नर्सरी रही है क्या?
You know when you gave your love away, it opened your heart.
Wow, look at that view. And there's Eva. So, what's the range like?
29 kilometers more, man.
Can you push this guy up?
In fact, 27, not even 29.
Okay, so here we are with 25 kilometers range we have. And we have a distance of 40 kilometers to cover.
Yeah.
I don't think we can reach Pune. But we can still reach Pune.
How?
By the magic of regenerative braking. So yeah. So what do you think? Can we do it?
Let's give it a shot.
Okay. I'm confident that we'll reach because I'm definitely sure we're going to gain 20 kilometers in this coming downhill. So let's try.
Let's
Okay.
give it a shot.
Okay. 20. We've reached the bottom of the hill and I've got 10 kilometers worth of regenerative power back.
Now we are back after a long trip to Lavasa. We didn't find any charging points out there, yet we came back with
So we just got back with 8 kilometers left.
beautiful car indeed. This is the only car which on the top of Lavasa
Yes.
has a reading of 40 kilometers and at the bottom of the ghat says 50. So I think one of the things that actually should happen is that all taxis and autos should become battery operated. The government should give special stops for that,
Yes,
thereby making public transport green,
yes.
cheap
Yes.
and regenerative.
Yes, exactly.
They'll actually charge you less if they go into the ghats. Can you believe it?
Fun.